On bank 1, the markings on the cam here need to point downwards, which they are, as you can't see them. And then the cam lobes need to point downwards at an angle like this. Perfect. And double perfect. The timing of the engine is set correctly. The timing tools are sitting flush with the cylinder head on bank 1 as well. This is how the tool sits on bank 1. All right, let's take it for a spin. That snapping noise that you hear when I'm turning the engine, that's hydro valves and vanos and, you know, stuff happening. Feels great. And that's the timing